Hello everyone. I've already applied foundation and I'm just taking a sponge and very carefully I'm applying bronzer to my face and a little bit of highlighter. Okay, so now I'm just doing my eyebrows and I'm trying to keep them as natural as possible because the look of today is a natural look and you don't want to have bold eyebrows or anything like that. So your eyebrows should be very natural, very soft, very girly. I don't know how to say it. Oh, and don't forget to brush them very well. Okay, so now I'm just taking my primer. It is a primer from Avon and I really think it is a good primer and it works for me very well. And I'm applying it all over my lid with my finger. And I really think that a good primer really emphasizes the color of the eyeshadow. Okay, so now it's time for eyeshadow and with a flat brush I'm applying it all over my lid. Okay, so now I'm gonna use a fluffy brush and I will apply a darker shadow all over my crease because I'm trying to recreate kinda of a smoky eyes effect, but for the daytime because you can use smoky eyes makeup in the daytime but with brown shadows and things like that, so much warmer, and in the night you can use it with black or lilac or mauve or I don't know, darker shades, but in the daytime just trying to keep your makeup as simple as possible but with smoky eyes effect. Okay, so now just blend your color into your crease to obtain that smoky eyes effect and just trying to drag that color, And now just taking orange shade and applying it just a little bit on my lid, just a little bit, for that spot of color, just a little bit. Now I'm gonna use a lip balm because it's so important to hydrate your lips during the winter time, or I think any time of the year. It is important to hydrate your lips. Now I'm just using a simple black pencil on my waterline. Okay, so behind the camera I've already applied my eyeliner and mascara, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, see you, bye!